5 News Alert in the last hour. Diddy Combs denied bail after a mixed verdict cleared him of top charges in a sex trafficking trial. Live pictures right now from outside the federal courtroom in New York City. That bond decision coming down after a jury convicted him of those 2 prostitution-related charges. Let's bring in Fox 5's chief legal correspondent, Katie Barlow, after this monumental day. Everybody waiting on this thing, this verdict, after what, nearly 2 months in court, hearing some very graphic testimony, jurors seeing some graphic video, and here we are with this split decision. Break down what happened in that bond hearing about an hour ago.
So that graphic video actually is going to be relevant, I think, Kenneth, to the judge's decision today. The reason generally why a judge would keep someone behind bars during this period of time is one of 2 things, either a flight risk or a threat to the safety of the community. And at the hearing, the prosecutors marshaled the evidence that was presented at trial to argue that Diddy would be one of those 2 things or both of them. And they'll also argue, you know, he may have access to money that we don't know about that could make him a flight risk. You know, he was a music mogul and had a lot of connections. Yeah. But our understanding also is that the judge referenced his violence in his personal relationships, which he has owned up to as part of the reason why he didn't think there were any conditions that he could set that would preserve or protect the safety of the community. The other thing that prosecutors will likely argue, or likely argued, is that the fact that he even went to trial shows that he wasn't ready to take responsibility for his actions and that he continues to be a threat to the safety of the community.
But obviously, Cassie Ventura's, the ex of Diddy, who testified in the trial, they put out a statement right before that bond hearing saying he is a threat. He's a danger to those who testified against him, which is why bond should be denied. But the next big question is, though, sentencing. 10 years for each of those counts, right?
He faces up to 10 years. That's right. So we're about to engage in this process that happens after conviction, before there's, well, after been found guilty, before there is a sentence, which is when they're technically convicted. So what happens is the probation officer puts together what's called a pre-sentencing report. They are an independent investigator. They're going to look at Diddy's background, his age, his mental and physical health, including alcohol and drug use. They put together a report. They give it to the judge. And then the judge decides what he's going to sentence in this case. Our understanding is prosecutors are asking for 4 to 5 years, somewhere in the middle range. But the judge has the discretion to go above that.
Quickly, you think he's going to face some serious time for?
I think we're looking at somewhere where the prosecutors are asking for 4 to 5 years, but we'll see.
He mouthed to his family, "I'm coming home." Obviously not the case, especially right now. All right, Katie Barlow, thank you so much. And please stay with Fox 5 in our continuing coverage here on the 6th. We have more details on Diddy's verdict when TMZ joins us live in the next half hour.